During the pandemic, I bought an elliptical and I placed the elliptical right next to my couch because I thought if I put it in the area where I do yoga and work out, it's not close to the television. So I was trying to set myself up for success. So I put it in the living room so that I could get on it when I'm watching TV, Netflix, all of that. I found myself sitting on the couch and just staring at the elliptical. And I was like, why am I not getting on the elliptical? And so I thought to myself, Nilu, practice what you teach. I teach a class called Influencing Self-Talk. And in that class, it's rooted in NLP, neuro linguistic programming. And so it's focused on language, not just with others, but how we speak to ourselves. And so I realized that one of the strategies I teach is using the word just and allowing just to help you get moving. So, for example, if I could just get on the elliptical for 5 minutes, and then what happens is when I'm on the elliptical for 5 minutes, I'm in more of a flow state. And then that 5 minutes turns to 45 minutes because I'm binging on Netflix. But the point is that just gets me moving. Similarly, when I'm creating content and creating decks and slides, if I focus on all the 30 slides that I need, it's overwhelming. But Nilu, if you could just do 5 slides, and then when I'm in the zone, I'm doing 5, that 5 turns into 15, and the 15 turns into 20, and so on and so forth. But to get moving and to take action, it is as simple as using the word just. If you can just do 5 minutes, if you can just get started. And then when you're in that place, you'll notice you'll probably produce more or do more. So try it out, use just, and let me know how it works out for you. Take care.